How is everyone doing? It's been a while since nagamit ko yung camera na to, but it's my final season. And patapos na. Patapos na ang mga pagsusubok this first year college. And, it's been a journey. I'm already in vacation mode, to be honest with you all. But I just want a quick catch up with you guys on how I'm doing and what's there to come. I am really excited for summer this year, especially it's my 18th year of summer. So, if you guys are interested in exploring with me and going on fun adventures, make sure to like this video, follow me, and comment where we should go. Kayo ba? Ano yung mga plano nyo this summer? Because I feel like I have a lot of plans, but at the same time, I have nothing to do. Like, it's so overwhelming for me, but it's gonna be fun. That I can assure you of. Everything that we will do, we will live life to the fullest and have fun. Share nyo naman yung mga gagawin nyo this summer. I would love to know kung ano yung mga gagawin nyo this summer. So, make sure to comment down below. I'm supposed to be studying for my exams tomorrow. I have my exams for tomorrow, but I took the time to film and to update you guys. Especially, hindi ako masyado content these finals. For our favorite question for this segment of the video is, what is your favorite memory for this first year of college? I think my favorite memory is yung pagkatapos ng lantern parade sa UP. My friends slept at my house. Mga 5 a.m. ata kami nakatulog noon, and it's something so memorable. That's when I realized that those friends are not just school friends, but they're life friends, you know? And it's just so fun to know that we are in this journey together. It really is a blessing to find good company, especially yung mga changes natin from high school to college. I'm so blessed to have them as friends and to be able to share my journey with them. And I hope they'll miss me just like how I'll miss them. I hope they always remember me too. But yeah, I would probably stop yapping now and we'll start doing my requirements. So I also met Justin earlier. I met Justin earlier spontaneously. I got my hair done also. I really have crazy days, guys. Like really crazy spontaneous day. If there's one word that you can describe me, maybe that's being spontaneous and fun. breakers, page breakers.
Hindi yan page breakers.
Kala ko naman page breakers. I'm with dinner. I'm at dinner with them. And we're gonna eat. Nakatapos na namin mag-eat. And iikot tayo sa konti sa may beach. Tara! We made it here sa may beach na, and nasa room lang ako because I need a breather. It's hot and overstimulating me for some reason. I do miss the beach, and we will be staying here. It's gonna be so much fun, though I have to cram a few things or so. I hope I get it done at the right time. I might start now. Maybe it's a good thing to start now. But yeah, I'll update you guys. Bye! Kuya.
pero push natin to, mag-banana boat pa tayo. Meron akong kailangan dapat gawin. Deadline niya kahapon. Pero sabi ko, sige, minsan lang naman. As in, wala pa akong late submission whatsoever. Kaya pinabayaan ko na sige, minsan lang naman to. Why not, diba? Kasi that's part of living life din naman. But while waiting, sila daddy at saka sila Tinda, nagpapamassage sila.
Where'd all the time go? It's starting to fly. See how the hands go, waving goodbye. No, I get so forgetful when I look in your eyes.
Guys, kanina nag-banana boat kami, tapos what you call that? Speedboat kami. Tapos ako yung nag-drive kanina sa speedboat. Pero hindi ko siya na-videohan or anything. Kasi syempre, mababasa. I was just catching up on my ACADS. And si Chelsea, hi Chelsea! Say hi! Careful ka. Sarap ba yung gummies? So, while I was doing my ACADS and my papers that I really have to do, tinabihan ako ni Chelsea. Introduce yourself. Come here.
I got my Jackson.
How old are you?
7.
Oh, what's your grade now? Do you love your exam? Oh. Nag-banana boat kami. Tapos nataob kami lahat. Sino umiyak? Umiyak ka. Tapos nag-speedboat din kami. Then we were the one driving the boat. That was fun. That was a new experience for me. While they were having lunch, I was trying to do my papers. Kasi I haven't had lunch.
I'm gonna draw you.
You're gonna draw me?
Hey guys! Where's your nose? Is this your Barbie? It's a Barbie. Next to?
Pastry daw, parang ano siya. Ajay.
Hi, I'm with
Double A butter.
Via. Via is, how old are you? 1, 2, 3.
Halitang kahit
Oh, can you show your nails? You got your new nails? Show your nails.
Wow, love them.
They're so pretty.
Whoa! Oh, what's that?
What's your favorite tita?
All of them.
What? No, you can tell me. Tita Sam only.